Yeah, hi, Danny. How you doing?
I'm doing good, and you?
Doing well, thank you. What you making?
We're making some rice pilaf.
Rice pilaf.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't she sing, Je ne regrette rien?
Exactly.
That's, Edith Piaf. Edith Piaf, rice pilaf. Oh, okay. Hey, let's, look at this. Oh, yum. Yum, I got some celery
Some cheddar.
and cheddar.
Yeah.
Let's see this.
Some Vermont.
Get away from the knife.
And some green cheese.
Green cheese.
Yeah.
Green cheese.
Blue cheese, but it looks more green than blue.
Did you add some cheddar to it? And that made it green?
Uh-huh.
Oh, makes perfect sense.
You think so?
Yeah. Well, I can't wait to taste all this. It's delicious.
Oh, it's not for you, Danny.
Hey?
It's not for you.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's for me and Russell.
It's all kinds of cheese, and it's for you and Russell and not me.
Mm-hmm.
Danny Mouse, he's just playing with you. We'll give you some. You should.
No, I won't.
I'll sneak you some under the table.
No, you won't.
Thank you, Russell. Yeah.
No.
Have a good night, everybody. Talk to you later.
Sure.